Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.